Hi guys, this is organic nomenclature and we will be naming phenols. Now phenol is an organic compound which has an OH group directly attached to the benzene ring, and the rule of naming this compound is that the carbon atom with the OH group attached to it will always be the first carbon atom, and this is what is known as a phenol. So any substitutions that take place on a phenol will be having the OH group at the first position. So the numbering is fixed. The only choice that we would have would be to number the ring either clockwise or anti-clockwise, giving the least number to the substitute group. And if you have multiple substitute groups, then we would give the least number to the substitute group that has a name that is given alphabetical preference. So if we have a phenol with an NO2 group attached to it, the numbering would start with the OH group, so 1 and 2, and the name of this compound would be 2-nitrophenol. Another compound in which there is a methyl group attached to the phenol molecule would be numbered beginning from the OH group. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, ends up at the fourth position where methyl group is attached. So the name of the compound becomes 4-methyl phenol. So if we have a compound with a choice between two substitute groups, so if we place a Cl here and a methyl group here, so now we would number this compound by giving alphabetical preference to chlorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and the name of this compound would be 2-chloro 6-methyl phenol. If we have multiple substitute groups of the same type, for example, we've got the phenol molecule with 3 NO2 groups attached at these positions. So the numbering can be done either clockwise or anti-clockwise because all the groups would end up with the same number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And since there are 3 nitro groups here, this compound would be called 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. And if we have different groups at these three positions, so let's replace two of the nitro groups, one with a Cl group and the other with a methyl group. So the numbering would be done by giving alphabetical preference to methyl over nitro because M comes before N. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. However, the name would be written with chlorine as the first substitute group. So the name would become 4-chloro 2-methyl 6-nitrophenol. And this is how phenols are named.